I'm Paul McConaghy and I'm the Aftersales Manager at Porsche Centre Belfast. In this short video, we will be outlining the role of our direct dialogue bay and how this enhances our service and maintenance experience for all our customers. The dialogue bay is a purpose-built private environment where our service advisors, accompanied by the customer, undertake an introductory general inspection of your car. This takes place at the start of your scheduled appointment and is completed within a few minutes. While this is optional within any appointment, it also allows our customers to discuss any areas they wish to have investigated during the workshop visit, in addition to the opportunity to view the car from underneath if so desired. All the core visual areas of your Porsche are briefly inspected, including bodywork, lights, interior functions and tyre condition. Sharing this experience with our customers allows for some immediate agreements and decisions to be taken, ensuring the work is actioned with expediency when some areas have been pre-authorised as a result of this inspection. Irrespective of whether you opt for this experience as part of the booking, rest assured your Porsche will receive a comprehensive workshop review by our Porsche trained technicians with all findings presented to you.